Okay, we're here in Booneville, Missouri. There's a handsome fellow right there when the phone's blocking his face. The tour of the room. Here's an interesting toilet. It's something I've never seen until I came here to Boonesville. I guess it works. I'll try it out here in a little bit. But I guess you sit down there and go in that trash can. Housekeeping will pick it up in the morning. Got the fridge and the microwave over here. Nightstand, alarm clock. Here's my jug. So yeah, that's how I stay so fit. Let's see, there's the truck. Right outside the window. Got 2 crates of pigeons in the back of it. Already watered them. And we're going to be releasing them about 6 or 6:15 in the morning if conditions are good. Okay, we're sitting here right off of exit 89 in Blackwater. Giving the birds the last chance to get some water if they want. We've got 2 crates to release today, and sun's not up yet. Say we got probably another 20 more minutes or so, but no fog. Looks like it's going to be pretty good conditions to release. So here in about 20 minutes, we'll go ahead and move that other crate around here, put it on top of the other one, and we'll let them go. All right, here we go. Yep. There they are. I can't see them with my eyes, but.
Oh, okay, I see it. Depend on which way they turn.
There they go. Okay, we have already released the pigeons. Came back to the motel and get my stuff and get our free breakfast, and was watching the news, and the news was talking about, I normally don't get political, but I heard on the news about the new tariffs, the 5% tariffs on Mexico, and they're going to gradually increase till they reach 25%. Well, I didn't know what all was going to come of that, so I went to the best source you can on these things, and that was Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's website, and she explained it good, that by doing this, prices at Taco Bell are going to continuously rise and rise and rise, and Real Hacienda and things like that, and guacamole. So I wanted to go ahead and let everybody know to oppose those 5% tariffs, because I don't want Taco Bell to go up. It already cost $20 for me and my wife to go to Taco Bell, and I don't need it to get any more expensive. So that's my 2 cents on politics.